Right, I've been on with this job today, and of course it's a Transit Custom. So yeah, still on with this. I've got loads done though, we're getting there with it now. Been doing the roof today, been prepping it all up, getting it ready, so I'm going to get it painted probably tomorrow or day after. So I just wanted to show you that. This is just a update video, by the way. Nothing special, you won't learn out from this video. So you'd have to be a hardened subscriber to be watching this. But right, yeah, one thing what I will do, in fact you might get something from this video, I've been thinking about my next giveaway before we look at anything else in this video. So my next giveaway, so obviously if you're new to the channel, I'll let you know now that I do giveaways. I've just done a giveaway of tools. I generally give tools away. Got to subscribe to the channel, otherwise obviously you're not going to have a chance of winning any of my things. You've got to obviously watch my video, like my videos, share my videos, just follow the channel and enjoy the work, enjoy the things I do. Basically I work on bikes, I work on cars, I work on vans, yeah, and so on. Anyway, I don't want to bore my subscribers too much because you already know what I do, but I'm going to show you now what I'm going to give away. So I've just got some new tools, always buying tools. So I've just bought these here. I'm sick to death of buying these and they're just no good. Anyway, I bought these the German Welsh, whatever they're called. I can't even remember the second name now. But what I like about these, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to try and get it to focus. Probably not going to focus. We've got low light. You see they've got like grips. There's like a grip around there. They just fit lovely in your fingers. They're just dead nice. They'll just be dead nice for getting into one of them there and just finishing it off, turning it out, you know, after you've cracked it. But yeah, really like them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy another set of these, and I like the way you've got this little tray as well, and they're just like nicely, they're nice. Hang on, where will I made this little space down here, look, and they're just fit in there, just dead nice. Oh, I like that. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another set of these, and they can be for my Easter draw. So they can be for my Easter draw then. So subscribe to the channel, watch my videos. I've got loads of good stuff coming, loads of good stuff. Golf GTI restoration, that's coming in. I'm sure I've booked that in for the 9th of January. So Mark II Golf GTI, little pearler of a car it is. It's red, and the lad's done a load of work on the engine. It looks absolutely mint under the bonnet. It's got accident damage down the side, but he's decided he wants me to do a full pucker job on it, so that's what I'm going to do. Before that, I've got a Focus ST coming in. Lacquer peel, it's orange, horrendous lacquer peel. It's lacquer's coming off the roof, it's coming off the rear bumper, and it's coming off one of the quarters, I think. So I've got that to do, and that's going to be a nightmare because it's a 3-stage pearl. And also, yeah, loads more work on my van to do. Well, it is loads, but it isn't loads. I'm getting bashed on with it. Look, so I've got these to do. Side skirts. I've got the bumper bits to do there. Got the trims on the side to do, but we're getting there. There's a rear diffuser to go on the rear bumper. Got that to do. I've done a cracking video. I've got some cracking footage of putting the front splitter on the bumper. I might do a separate video. Let me know if you want to see a separate video. Let me know if you want to see a separate video of fitting the front splitter onto the bumper of the van. It's on it now. It looks mint, but I don't want to show you because I don't want to ruin the big reveal video that I'm going to do of the before and after, because this van's going to look absolutely amazing when it's done. Honestly, what a transformation. It's just going to look absolutely amazing. But yeah, if you want to see a separate video on doing the splitter, putting the mesh in behind, and how I fasten it on and everything, just let me know and I'll do a video on that. Another job, the GPZ. So I'm going to get bashed on with this, the GPZ 900R, going to get a load of worky done on this. So what I'm going to do, very soon, I'm going to strip it down, get it down to the bare frame, and I'm going to strip this frame, and I'm going to show you some techniques how I strip the paint off the frame. People that might be interested in doing bits and bobs at home, fancying a project at home, yeah, might come in handy me showing you how I strip the paint off. So a few different techniques that you can use anyway. So that's another job that I'll work in soon. Another job, don't know if you're interested in. Got a bike out here. I've had this bike for years. You just got to work on this. This here, don't know if you're interested. Should I do a video on this? You interested in this? Needs sorting out. I keep meaning to get on and do it. So that was where I had a bitumen roof on my old shed that was actually here where this workshop is, and it all leaked in and it all went on the bike and it did that to the tank. But it is looking a bit old anyway, the bike, to be honest. It could do with a good clean up. Are you interested in me cleaning this bike up, painting this, repainting this, new stickers, making it look nice, and maybe having a ride out on it? Is that something that would interest you? So just in the comments let me know that you'd be interested in me doing a bit of work on the Montesa, tidying it up, and a little ride out. I know some awesome little places to go and have a ride out on that to do some good footage. It'd be good. So yeah, can't think of much more now really. I've got a review to do on a camera for a car and a dash cam. So dash cam companies approached me and they've asked me to do dash cam reviews. So if you're interested in a dash cam, if you're looking at getting a new dash cam, I can tell you they are, there's something that we should all have them really, to be honest, in this day and age. I had a horrific accident 10 years ago. It was 10 years ago I had a horrific accident, and it happened about 3 days after Christmas. I was in a bad way, and I was in hospital right the way through that new year. I was the only person on the ward in hospital that new year. I'll never forget it. It was a very, very quiet new year for me. 10 years ago, I was in an absolute mess. I was hit by a car, and I was in a bad way. I had a shattered collarbone. I will do a video on it actually at some point, because I've got footage. I've not got footage. I've got pictures of what I look like afterwards and the aftermath of the accident. I've got pictures of it. I've got like life-changing injuries from it. I've got lots of bad scars. I've had skin grafts. As I say, my collarbone was shattered, right mess, and so on. But having a dash cam, having a camera for footage, something I wish I had years ago, because I was hit by a car, and it was made out that basically the accident was my fault. And you might think, how can that happen? Trust me, it can happen. And if the police don't like your attitude, and you start kicking off because there's things that they haven't done, there's evidence that was there that they didn't get, they didn't investigate your accident properly, things start to go wrong. If you start kicking off with them and telling them that you're going to take your own course of action against them, this, that and the other, believe you me, if they say that, well, if you're going to do that, they'll do X, Y, Z, and you'll be the one to blame. Trust me, they'll make it so that you're the one in the wrong. They're very powerful. They can do what they want. On first hand, I know just all about it. Just seriously, what they can do. I suffered a long time with my accident, but mostly mentally after the accident, through what happened, through the investigation not being done that should have been done, and the whole thing was an absolute mess. But I'm not going to go into it anymore now. I'll do a video on that at the right time when I've got a lot more subscribers, It's really important that a lot of people watch that video when I do it. So yeah, I'll be doing some videos on dash cams anyway. So if you're in the market for one, we'll have a look at the one I've been sent. They've sent me one over. It looks decent quality. It looks a decent thing. I've had a look on the website as well, and they've got some decent cameras on there. Got all sorts on there. So I'll get that opened at some point. I'm waiting for instructions off them, for them to tell me what they want me to do. But yeah, I'll do a video on that. I'll show you that. We'll have a look at it, see what it's like, see what the footage is like, and then I'm guessing I'll get a link off them, and hopefully you'll get some discount. Hopefully they'll do you some discount, and you can buy a dash cam. Right, I'm not going to waffle on anymore. My missus is in the house. She's put together like a bit of a picnic kind of tea. We've not done it for a while. So quiet one for us this year. I'm going to have a few beers in the house, a couple of beer Moretti, my favourite. I'm going to have them in the house, and a bit of a picky tea. Been grafting all day again, so I'm a bit knackered. So I'm going to go in the house, I'm going to have a beer, have some tea with my missus, light the fire. Oh, another thing, I've got to get some wood in as well. Light the fire, and then yeah, that's us really. So just want to say to everyone that's supported the channel for 2025, thank you very much. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks to all old subscribers that have supported me for as long as you have. And don't forget, I'll be doing some more giveaways. I'll keep doing them throughout the year. The more subscribers I get to the channel, obviously, the better the things I'll be able to get to give away. But yeah, just basically, I hope you enjoy the channel. And whatever you're doing this year, the new year, mind how you go, look after yourself, take care, and in 2026, have the best 2026. Right, I'm off ski.